Sannasya वाम योगिनो ध्यायन्ति said. Yeah, I understood. He said that keep the what you call it, shutter speed in the max. Which is your shutter speed max? 4,000, 8,000. That's it.
क्षमस्यात्तमानायं स्मृतयो पूर्वसङ्कल्पितप्रकारेण अस्य बिम्बस्य अधिवास जलाधिवास अक्षयविमोचनं क्षीर पंचगव्याधिवास अधिवास होमाकिं कर्म करिष्ये प्रधानकुण्डे
Okay, got it.
Presa रूपाय स्वाहा तेजसाय स्वाहा भागभ्य स्वाहा वाक्भ्य स्वाहा नारेभ्य स्वाहा उदये स्वाहा शिवाय स्वाहा नरिकाय स्वाहा जीवाय स्वाहा सत्याय स्वाहा ज्ञानाय स्वाहा न्यायाय स्वाहा अनन्ताय स्वाहा यकाय स्वाहा प्राणाय स्वाहा वाणाय स्वाहा यानाय स्वाहा समानाय स्वाहा महात्मने स्वाहा महात्मने स्वाहा विश्वात्मने स्वाहा परमात्मने स्वाहा तस्मै स्वाहा सर्वस्मै स्वाहा राय स्वाहा चक्राय स्वाहा रंगाय स्वाहा नगाय स्वाहा भूषणेभ्य स्वाहा चक्राय स्वाहा आदिवीढाय स्वाहा मांगेभ्य स्वाहा कलयेभ्य स्वाहा पुरुषाय स्वाहा
Surya स्वांगत्वेन प्रतिदिने प्रातःकाले अधिवास होमान्ते आज्येन लघुभूतः होमात्मकर्म दृश्ये ओम उद्यन्मञ्जस्वा अनुमजन्मञ्जस्वा तन्मदेव सुधप्रसव विदतो होमज्ञात् ओम सुखं घोरयित्वा ओम एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश ओम सप्तते दश
वैश्वानराय विद्महे लालीलाय धीमहि तन्नो प्रचोदयात् संस्पन्न मंत्रं समर्पयामि आदीनं भक्तिहीनं भूतासन
ओम ओम स्वस्ति स्वस्ति श्रद्धा मेधा यशः प्रज्ञा विद्या बुद्धि श्रियं बलं तेजः आरोग्यं देहि मे भव्य वाहन श्रियं देहि मे भव्य वाहन ओम नमः इति त्रयायुषन्यमदग्ने
తీసుకెళ్ళి అన్ని ఇప్పుడు మనకి మంచి పెట్టేసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ సోమసూత్రం అక్కడ పెట్టారు దాంట్లో పెట్టారు సోమసూత్రం అక్కడ పెట్టారు ఇక్కడ దాంట్లో పెట్టాలి
त्रयायुषन्यमदग्ने त्रयायुषं यद्देवानां त्रयायुषं तन्मे अस्तु त्रयायुषम्
Today, third day, the process of invocation of Lord Shiva, Lord Venkateshwara and Ganesha. And in the today morning's program, we have started with Ganesha Puja and then Punyaha Vachana. These two are mandatory every day morning and evening. And after finishing the Punyaha Vachanam, Pradhana Kalasharadhana. So yesterday morning we have arranged all the Kalashas and we did Avahanam in the evening. Again we did Aradhanam to all the Kalashas. After Kalasharadhanam, we did Akshimochanam or Akshimochanam, opening the eyes of the deities. Because so far, so please observe the vocabulary we use. So far we can call those idols. But after invocation we should not call idol. And as many people criticize, we don't have idol worship. This is not idol worship. After invocation, that cannot be called idol. Because Shastra says, we do two doshas when we go to a temple. Gurau Manushabhavam Shile Bere Shilabhavam. These two are Maha doshas, Maha aparadas. Great mistakes. Gurau Manushabhavam, when you go to your Guru, if you feel he is like after a human like me, with 2 hands, 2 legs, 1 head, 2 eyes, 2 ears, that is a Mahadosha. Guru is Sakshat God for you. When you go to Guru, you should not think he is also. When you feel that he is also after a human being like me, then Ahankara comes. So Guru Manusha Bhavam Aparadam. And Bere Shila Bhavam. When you go to the temple, in the Bera means the Murti in the temple, Sanctum Sanctorum, that Murti, Shila Bhavam, if you think, oh, this stone, many people say, oh, this stone is very beautiful, or this idol is very beautiful. It is not this, it is he or she. If you feel that this is it or this is this, then your visit, your all efforts to go to the temple will be waste. Because you don't need to go to see a it or this. You are going to see him or her, right? We are going to visit, we are going to the temple to visit Venkateshwara, Shiva, Durga, Ganesha, not a stone. So, Vere Shila Bhavam, when you see the Murti, suppose here the roses get buds, right? Suppose if you see a rose flower on the Murti and if you see a bird, you should not say there is a bird on it. There is a bird on Venkateshwara Swami or on Shiva. Suppose if I remind you that there is a bug on your body, I don't say there is a bug on it, right? We say there is a bug on you. When we go to the temple, our bhava also should be, this is Venkateshwara, whatever is there, because I yesterday only asked Subhashji, give me 1 hour time to explain this someday in these 3 days. Why we call him he or she? So, but the process of making a stone from a mountain to a Bera or Murti in the temple, between the mountain and the Sanctum Sanctorum there is a very long distance, thousands of miles. Not only in the distance, in the sequence also there is a lot of difference. It was a stone. That stone was cut into a piece, and that piece of stone was again carved into an idol, and that idol has undergone lot of sequence, lot of procedures, purification procedures, and finally we invoke the prana kala, all the prana's life into the murti, and after that is not it or idol, that is murti. That is why in Sampradaya we call Sri Vigraham or Murti, Venkateshwara Murti. So in that process, today the first process is they made all the Vigrahams in India, in Mahabalipuram, but except the eyes. So that is the final carving of the idol. The final carving is Akshi, eyes. So that Akshi Mochanam was done today morning by the Shilpis. They have carved the eyes, and now this is a perfect Vigraham for Pradishta, Kalavahan or Prana Pradishta. So after Akshi Mochanam, now we have done Akshi Mochana Homam, that is called Anga Homam. Each and every limb, not only limb, each and every part in the body has a presiding lord. Your nails have a presiding lord, your feet has a presiding lord, your anklet is a presiding lord, ankle, and your knee has a presiding, each and every part, your skin has a presiding lord, your intestine has a presiding lord, your veins have presiding lords. So for all those presiding lords, because this entire Deva is resided by all Devatas. So we did homam to all those Devatas. Kikasa Bheswaha, Anda Bheswaha, Sheva Bheswaha, Majja Bheswaha, even to the flesh, bone, everything we have done homam. After the Anga homam, that gives that particular, for every limb, that particular energy to the deities by doing the homa. And now, again, other step in the sequence of purification, that is Panchagavya Adhivasam. Purification of the Shila, Murti with the Panchagavyas, as we discussed on the first day. Panchagavyam, Gavyam means Go Bhavam Gavyam. 5 products of cow. Go Kshiram, Go Dadhi, Go Ghrutam, Go Mutram, Go Mayam. All these 5 products of cow are invoked there, and with these 5 ingredients, 5 products of cow, Panchagavyam, we purify the murtis. So that is Panchagavyam. Even in Ayurveda, Panchagavya removes all the doshas in the womb. If a pregnant lady, if she has some problems in pregnancy, if she can take even before getting the pregnancy, or if there is a delay in getting pregnancy, if they take Panchagavya, if they do the Panchagavya Prasana, if they take Panchagavyam every day, that removes all the impurities or doshas in the garbha. So in the Shira also, there are a lot of doshas. What are those doshas? That Shira have been touched by several birds, several animals, several creatures, jivas. And while carving the Shira, they might have killed lot of bugs. So these are all doshas. So to remove all the doshas, to purify the murti, first we clean with the Panchagavyam. After Panchagavyam, we have to clean, and at the same time we have to give energy to the Vigraha. Directly we cannot give prana, life, to the stone. So first we have to energize the Vigraha. That energy comes from milk. Even for us, energy comes from milk, right? In childhood we give only food. Milk is the only food. So we do the Kshiradivasa. But here, because the murti is so big and we cannot lift every time and keep in the milk. Otherwise, if it is a Utsava murtis, normally we take a big tub and put the murti and fill with the milk. So in the Kshiradivasa, we purify the murti with the milk and also energize the murti with the milk. And then finally, and after Kshiradivasa, we purify the murti with the Jala. That is the final purification. Jaladivasa. So after cleaning with waters, today evening there is a beautiful process. That is completely energizing the murti. Panchashiyadivasa, Panchadhanyadivasa, 5 kinds of grains and 5 kinds of beds. Charmajam, we have the skin, deer skin. Romajam, so wool. And then cotton. So all these cloths, 5 kinds of grains. First we have to put a cloth and then all the grains, and then we have to make Panchashriya. On the Panchashriya, we have to keep the murti, and after keeping the murti, we do the Chaturveda Parayana. We recite all 4 Vedas in all 4 directions. And there, we do Hautra Prashamsa. And Hautra Prashamsa, I want to explain, but I will explain before we do the Hautra Prashamsa, because it's a beautiful process. Hautra Prashamsa means inviting the deity, the Devatas, directly to the Yakashala. I will give you an instance from Ramayana. Dasharatha Maharaja, when he did Ashwamedha Yagam, after completing the Ashwamedha Yaga, he started Putra Kameshti in the guidance of Rishyashringa. And they started the Putra Kameshti Yaga, and there they invoked the Devatas. All Devatas came to the Yagashala. When all Devatas came to the Yagashala, Brahmadeva also came. And then Indra, all these Devatas went to Brahma and started complaining to Brahma. Brahmaji, you give a lot of boons to Ravana and he is troubling the entire world. He is not letting Devatas do their job. Vayu came, he is not letting me breathe. Agni came, he is not letting me burn. And Varuna comes, he is not letting me wet anything. So he is not letting any Dikpalas do their job. He is not letting Brahmanas do their Anushthana. He is not letting Rishis do their Yajnas, Yagas. And then Brahma, during that time, Srimanarayana came to the Yagashala. Shankha Chakra Pani, Pitambaradharo Devaha, Narayana Swayamagata. Shankha Chakra Pani, Shankha Chakra Pitambara, Srimanarayana came to the Yagashala. And all these Devatas along with Brahma went to Srimanarayana and again complained to Narayana. Then Brahma said, before Narayana's arrival, Srimanarayana will incarnate on the earth, and that strategy is already fixed. Again, this is one more beautiful topic, divine strategy. The strategy of gods. That is another topic we have to discuss. So then Srimanarayana promised, I will be born in this family, sons of Dasharatha. I will be born as four. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna. So in the Avtara Prashansa, Devatas will come to the Yagashala. Here also, when we do the Avtara Prashansa tonight, Devatas will come here. But we have some limitation to our eyes. We cannot see them. We cannot see them with our eyes. That is why Krishna gave divine vision to Arjuna to see Vishwamitra. After the Avtara Prashansa, again tomorrow, the Muktis will be ready to install there. The Garbhagriha, Sanktora, and then we will do the Grani Pushta, Radhanyasa, Gurshastapana, then Aradhyasa, Anavahana. So let us go there to Pachame, Om Han Kalatavosthaya Namaha, Itagoshtham, Om Ham Amrutatmavatraya Namaha, Itabatham, Tatra Bhomayam, Satyojadana Praja, Satyojadana Pravajyami, Satyojadaya Namaha, Vivevena Bhavasvama, Bhavattavaya Namaha, Om Satyojadamurti Namaha, Avahita Bhava, Stapita Bhava, Dhirachandru, Indradishara Priyantam, Om Ham Indrasanaya Namaha, Om Ham Indramurtaya Namaha, Indraya Namaha, Ajnasaya Namaha, Ajnamurtaya Namaha, Ajnaya Namaha, Yamasaya Namaha, Yamamurtaya Namaha, Yamaya Namaha, Vritrasaya Namaha, Vritraya Namaha, Vritamurtaya Namaha, Om Vrudasaya Namaha, Vrudamurtaya Namaha, Vrudaya Namaha, Vayuvyasaya Namaha, Vayumurtaya Namaha, Vayuve Namaha, Kuberasaya Namaha, Kuberamurtaya Namaha, Kuberaya Namaha, Ishanasaya Namaha, Ishanamurtaya Namaha, Ishanaya Namaha, Parivara Kshira Devata Seda Panchivya Devata Puramaha, Shayami, Avahayami, Navaratna Gadidhammasanam Sarpayami, Balayoha Bhatyam Sarpayami, Hastayoha Rakam Sarpayami, Bhayam Sarpayami, Om Daksham Yoravani, Gatam Yajnaya, Gatam Yajnavataye, Devi, Susyarusana, Susyarman Vedya, Uddhanjagata Vedam, Sarpayami, Prajekshadam Sarpayami, Pumita, Jekshadam Sarpayami, Avarna, Jekshadam Sarpayami, Landam Sarpayami, Yakshadam Sarpayami, Nana Vidam, Parivarta Sarpayami, Om Kesavaya Namaha, Om Narayana Namaha, Om Madhavaya Namaha, Om Guruvaya Jvalingaya Namaha, Jvalaya Namaha, Jvalingaya Namaha, Atmaya Namaha, Atmalingaya Namaha, Paramalingaya Namaha, Etat Swavasya Suryasya Sarvalingakasthavaya Varnantram Pavitram Upamagrapayami, Pratyaksha Deepam Drasayami, Upadeepanam Sachamariyam Sarpayami, Avasara Nevedhyam Om Bhurbhavasvaha, Sarvarayam Yukatvadevaste Dhimahi Dhiyaya Namaskadayadu Shri Radhe Adhidevadasi Nivedayami Om Pranayishvara Devde Bandhutam Pambhun Sarpayami Udiyadayami Nandayami Udiyadayami Mukta Jodasaitam Dampuram Pradrivyada Samradam Javradam Srirachala Grahe Ashvina Astasya Petaya Masagam Drajama Samada Srirastu Samasta Mangalani Bhavantu Nityada Srirastu Nitya Mangalani Bhavantu Kedivandavada Venkramana Govinda Haranama Parvati Padare Ganesha Bhagavana Ki Gajanana Maharaj Ki Om Mangala Neerajendra Swami Rajajaraja Vishwadahane Namo Vimamve Sravanaaya Brahmahe Saneka Man Kama Kama Yamanyam Kamesra Vishwanodatu Tadayaya Vishwanaya Maharaja Namaha Shubhanna Mantra Pasham Sarpayami Mantrahinam Kriyahinam Bhaktihinam
उमापते यत्पूजितमया देवा परिपूर्णन्दश्रेणया ध्यानावाहनादिषोडशद्विज ब्रह्मासभात्मकः क्षीरादिदेवता सीता पञ्चव्याधिदेवता सुप्रीताः सुप्रसन्नाः वरदा भवन्तु एतत् सर्वं परमेश्वरनारायणार्पणमस्तु।
समन्तरिक्षमतं राजस्यं दिशैव षट्पार्श्वे अवान्तरदिशं पक्षमन्तवङ्गान्नादाश्च प्रतिष्ठा रक्षत्राणीन भूमाग्निकान्यो वैद्यज्ञं प्रियतास्मभोगदाय कृष्णगुरुनामस्तमर्पता मोषधयस्य वनस्पतयस्य तस्यापरे समुद्रे योनिरे तौवा अष्टं मणिमानामभितस्तं भवोदर्हयो भूत्वा देवा नमः गन्धर्वा नर्वासुरा कृते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति एके चात्मानो जनाः प्रवेशन्ते विद्यामुपासाते ततो भूयाधिपते तमो यको विद्याया कुन्दताः अन्यदेवानुविद्यया श्रीदुष्टमधीराणान्येन तद्वीतिदक्षरे विद्याञ्च विद्याञ्च यत्तद्वेदो भयकुन्दः विद्यया मृत्युन्ते त्वा विद्ययां तामस्मृते प्रवेशन्ते सम्भूतिमुपासाते ततो भूयाधिपते तमो यत्सम्भूत्याकुन्दताः विनाशेन मृत्युन्ते त्वा सम्भूत्यामृतामश्नुते विष्णुस्वाग्रमता मरुवासाया माहतक्कुं रक्षो छन्तां पंच देवस्यत्ता सवितं प्रासा वेष्णिनात्बाहुभ्यां सूक्ष्महस्ताभ्याम् अग्नये निष्टं गृह्णामि निष्पीशोमानाभ्यां निष्टं गृह्णामि भूतायत्वा नारायणये स्मारभिविक्षेषम् ृङ्गं हन्तां दुर्याः पृथिव्यां पन्तरिक्षमन्वेमि पृथिव्यास्तानाभो सादयां चिरञ्ज्यापस्थे अग्ने हव्यक्कुं रक्षस्व सहस्रशीर्षः पुरुषः सहस्राक्षसहस्रपाद सभूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा अत्यधिष्ठस्मशाङ्कुलं पुरुष एवेदकं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यं उतावृतत्वशेषानः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतोऽध्यायाकस्य पुरुषः आदोस्य विश्वभूतानि त्रिपादोद्भवदे पुरुषः आदोस्येहामपः पुनः ततो विश्वं चक्रामतो दाशनाशनेभिः स्मात् विराडजायत विराजो अधिपूरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चाद्भूमिमथो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवायज्ञमदन्तत सन्तोलस्यासीदाज्यं श्रेष्मैध्मश्चरद्धविः सप्तास्यासम्परिधयः त्रिसप्तसमिधः कृताः देवायज्ञं तन्वानाः अबध्नन् पुरुषं पशुं तय्यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साभ्यार्षयश्चये तस्माद्यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं बृहदाद्यम् अशोकस्ताकश्चक्रे वायव्यानो आरण्याग्राम्याश्चये तस्माद्यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋजस्सामानि जज्ञरे छन्दागुंसजज्ञरे तस्मानातो यजस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त एकेचोभयादतः गावोहजज्ञरे तस्मानातो तस्मानाज्जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यदधो गतिधां च कल्पयन् मुभङ्गिमस्य गौ बाहो कापूरुपादावुच्येते ब्राह्मणस्य मुखमासीत् बाहोराजन्यः कृतः पूरोतस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुंशोत्रो अजायत चन्द्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षुस्तूर्यो अजायत मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणात् वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षं शेष्णाद्यौस्तमवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागम् अकल्पयन् वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वाभिवदन् यदास्ते धाता पुरस्ताद्यमदाजहार शक्रः प्रविद्वान् प्रतिशश्चदस्त्रः तमेवं विद्वान् अमृतयः भवति नान्यः पुरुषायनाय विद्यते यज्ञेन यज्ञमयजन्त देवाः तानि धर्माणि प्रथमान्यासन् देहनायकं महिमानस्तजन्ते यत्र पूर्वे साध्याः सन्ति देवाः अभ्यस्तम्भूतः पृथिव्यैर्धाश्च विश्वकर्मणस्तमवद्दधाति तस्य त्वष्टा विदधद्रूपमेति सत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वानमृतयः भवति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय. Please come, all the devotees who are not offered milk, please come here. Nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya prajapatisya.
We are cut. Hello, we are doing all the Shiradivasam here. If anybody is missing, please do come and participate in the Shiradivasam. It's almost we are about to the completion. If anybody in this premises, around the temple premises, please come here. We are almost at the completion of the Shiradivasam.
Nanyah pantha vidyate yanaya prajapatisya garbhe antah ajayamano bahudha vijayate. Om कर्पूरगौरं करुणारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनो हरे सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव सर्वं महादेव देव ॐ कायेन वाचा मनसे प्रेर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि नारायणायेति समर्पयामि पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तसन्मङ्गलानि सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः 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 लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Please, the devotees, we completed this morning program. Evening program will start 5 o'clock. All the homas and dhanya nivasam and panchajaya nivasas. Jai Shiv Shankar. Om Namo